What's up, everyone? Skylar from Homeshield, reaching out with an offer as we enter the soft wash season. We'd like to extend a free driveway cleaning to every homeowner who gives us the chance to demonstrate the level of care and dedication we bring to every job. We understand the challenges of finding a trustworthy service provider in today's world, and we are committed to raising the standard and delivering our very best to you each and every time. Our ultimate goal is not just to meet, but exceed your expectations without exception. So please don't hesitate to reach out and experience the difference with Homeshield. You can contact us today at 636-751-1353. We genuinely appreciate your time and consideration.